creating something that's really amazing and, of course, tasty in your own kitchen for dinner would be great. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we always have a great recipe for you with Salisbury steak. So let's get started. Let's prepare the ground steak. Now let's create the mushroom gravy. Butter makes everything taste good. Time to build the dish. Set your timer for 35 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Salisbury steak originated from hamburger steak, a ground beef patty popular in Germany since the 17th century. German immigrants introduced it to the United States, where it became widespread in the 1800s. Salisbury steak was named after Dr. James Salisbury, an American physician. By the mid-20th century, Salisbury steak became a popular TV dinner option and a nostalgic fixture in diners, cafeterias, and frozen food sections. Let's make the sour cream mashed potatoes. Looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's plate up this amazing dish. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this homemade Salisbury steak is seasoned perfectly, and the rich mushroom gravy with sauteed mushrooms takes this dish to the next level. Let's try these amazing sour cream mashed potatoes. Wow, these creamy mashed potatoes are really delicious. The sour cream raises the bar on mashed potatoes for sure. And now the green beans. Oh my, these garlic balsamic green beans are roasted to perfection, completing the ultimate comfort food classic dish you and the guests I'm sure will absolutely enjoy. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one amazing and tasty dinner. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.